Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gardening Beauty. Decorating your garden with old furniture and repurposed items can add a unique and charming touch to your outdoor space. It's a sustainable and creative way to breathe new life into old pieces while adding character and personality to your garden. Here are some ideas to help you get started. Vintage chairs. Old wooden or metal chairs can be repainted and used as garden seating. Place them around a table or scatter them throughout the garden for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Bicycle planter. Turn an old bicycle into a whimsical planter by placing potted plants in the basket and along the frame. This adds a touch of nostalgia to your garden. Pallet furniture. Wooden pallets can be transformed into a variety of garden furniture, including benches, tables, and even vertical planters. Sand them down and apply a weather resistant finish to protect them from the elements. Antique garden tools. Vintage garden tools such as shovels, rakes, and hoes can be repurposed as decorative elements. Hang them on a wall or fence for a rustic functional display. Rustic arbors and trellises. Old wooden doors, window frames, or ladders can be repurposed into unique garden trellises or arbors. These structures can provide support for climbing plants and create a focal point in your garden. Wheelbarrow planter. An old wheelbarrow can be turned into a charming planter. Fill it with soil and plant colorful flowers or herbs to create a mobile garden display. Vintage containers. Use old metal buckets, tin cans, or enamelware as plant containers. These can add a rustic and eclectic vibe to your garden. Make sure to drill drainage holes if needed. Teacup bird feeders. Turn old teacups or saucers into bird feeders by attaching them to a stake or hanging them from a tree. Fill them with birdseed to attract feathered friends to your garden. Wooden crates. Wooden crates can serve as versatile garden storage or display units. Stack them to create shelving or use them as plant stands. Garden art. Incorporate old sculptures, statues, or other art pieces into your garden design. These can add a touch of elegance and whimsy to your outdoor space. Mosaic projects. Use broken ceramic tiles, glass, or pottery to create colorful mosaics, stepping stones, plant markers, or table stones for garden furniture. Rustic signage. Repurpose old wooden planks or boards to create custom signs for your garden. You can label plants, give directions, or add inspirational quotes. Rustic lighting. Use old lanterns, mason jars, or vintage light fixtures to create ambient lighting in your garden. Solar powered lights can be placed inside for an eco friendly option. Remember to consider the weather resistance of your materials and apply appropriate finishes or sealants to protect them from the elements. Garden decor with old furniture and items can transform your outdoor space into a charming and eclectic retreat that reflects your unique style.